Come and learn the step-by-step guide to starting a profitable pressure washing business. You don't need to be a professional pressure washer or own a huge trailer with expensive equipment to succeed. All you need to know is the what, the who, and the where. Click on the link and check out my tutorial on the blueprint to a successful power washing business. What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. Let me know in the comments below if you saw this on my Facebook timeline or on YouTube. I want to see where the most traction is at right about now. By the way, this is a channel where you can learn new skill sets or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. Oh yeah, keep in mind, starting a profitable pressure washing business is not as risky or difficult as you think. Just answer these few questions. If you want an easy to start business that does not require you to fork out tons of money for expensive machinery or tools on the front end, if you want a business that allows you to work from home and gives you more quality time with your family, if you want something that you can do in your spare time that does not interfere with your regular job, if you want a business that you can grow and become a full-time thing if you choose to do so, if you want an opportunity that will provide a lot of income quickly and easily with the skills you already have. If you answer yes to 3 out of these 5, keeping on with this tutorial. This is a full online course. Membership would take you from where you are currently to owning a thriving home-based pressure washing business in your spare time in no time. This course will show you everything about starting, running, and growing a profitable pressure washing business out of your home. The course is in a membership format, very easy with full instructions, so you have a full access to it anytime you please and can watch and rewatch the videos while taking notes. You will have your own exclusive login password that will never leave, never lapse. The course is yours completely. Includes free updates when they are updated. Whatever your aspirations be, they simply to make a part-time income for the summer from home or to establish a profitable all year round pressure washing business. This system will show you how. If you know it, you could clean these areas, people will still pay you premium pricing, such as the roof, pressure wash the RVs, trailers, and patio furniture, construction equipment, and so forth. The reason this is a secret is because it seems to run against everything you've been told about starting a pressure washing business. You'll learn how to market your business, how to advertise around town and through social media. Here's a little gem. Once you get the ball rolling, a few freebies here and there, you will also help boost your business. So, as I have mentioned in the beginning, all you need to know is the what, the who, and the where when it comes to launching your own pressure washing business. And right now, what you're doing is when it pertains to equipment and chemicals, who to sell it to, and where these customers hide on the interwebs and the neighborhoods. So the bonus, the course will teach you how to run Facebook strategy ads. You will learn the right starting point for local domination through Facebook ads, how to go over the demographics and zip codes, how to hone in to gain customers. You will also get customer relationship management module to also help you keep those customers coming back for service. Many thanks for taking some time out to check my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done and I will reply back to you. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around right here in regards to home-based businesses. Many thanks once again. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.